You're watching 90-second books. What if building wealth wasn't about extreme frugality, but about spending intentionally? Let's find out.
Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich is a practical guide to personal finance. It emphasizes automation, conscious spending, and investing for a rich life. The book starts by debunking common money myths and encouraging a rich life mentality. This isn't about being a millionaire, but defining what a fulfilling life means to you. Sethi's core philosophy is conscious spending. This means understanding where your money goes and aligning it with your values. He advocates for automating your finances to make saving and investing effortless. Set up automatic transfers to savings, investments, and bill payments. The book covers credit cards, recommending using them wisely to build credit and earn rewards. However, always pay your balance in full to avoid interest. Investing is a major pillar, with Sethi promoting low-cost index funds and ETFs. He simplifies complex investment concepts, making them accessible to beginners. Don't try to beat the market. Instead, invest consistently over the long term. Sethi also discusses buying a car and a house, urging readers to avoid common pitfalls. He stresses negotiating effectively and understanding the true costs involved. The book encourages readers to negotiate salaries and other expenses. It's about taking control of your money, not letting it control you. Ultimately, I Will Teach You to Be Rich provides a clear, actionable roadmap to financial freedom.
Let us know in the comments what intentional spending you will incorporate into your life today. Subscribe for more big ideas from great books in just 90 seconds.